like it is another like analyzing video of like Ipagania playing against Obis College. Actually, like it is Obis College playing against the stubborn Pagania. And yeah, man, it was an interesting match. I don't wanna lie. From like the start, tempo vele maqala vele game. You as like you all actually caba vele yabo ukuthi like I'm a type of a person vele uthanda like game vele ne-energy vele yabo. So like from the start, it was a game like energy, and I didn't see that much like quality difference yabo. As much as like mangayibheka like from the paper vele, from like the way vele into i-hype from like iBhakania as ama-signings abawasayinile and stuff. And besides like I'm signing the stuff to play like against like into a team like engana brand available a huge that much. So obviously it was like a game which Pirates fans I believe was like they expected to go to like Obis College will sit back